In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Salesforce. This walkthrough will show you where to go in ClickUp to find the Salesforce integration and how to start the connection. Before we begin, a quick heads up, the Salesforce integration is available only on eligible ClickUp plans. If your plan doesn't include it, you'll see an upgrade prompt instead of the connect button. It also helps to have admin or integration permissions in both ClickUp and Salesforce so you can authorize the connection without roadblocks. First, open ClickUp and head to your workspace. From the left sidebar, go to the overview of your team space. This is your home base for managing settings that affect your space and the tools you connect. If you're working across multiple spaces, make sure you're in the one where you want Salesforce to be available. Next, open your space and select Settings. You'll usually find this by clicking the space name and choosing the Settings gear. Think of this area as the command center for enabling features, permissions, and integrations for your team. Inside Settings, look for the App Center. This is where ClickUp centralizes all official integrations and add-ons. Opening the App Center gives you a searchable directory so you don't have to dig through menus or browser tabs to find Salesforce. Use the search bar and type Salesforce. This quickly filters the list so you can locate the integration card without scrolling. If you don't see it at first, double-check your spelling and confirm you're in the App Center for the correct workspace or space. Select the Salesforce integration from the results to open its details page. Here, you'll see a brief description and the actions you can take. This page is also where you'll return later if you need to review the connection or disconnect it. Click Connect to begin linking your accounts. If your plan doesn't support the integration yet, ClickUp will prompt you to upgrade before you can proceed. If you're on a supported plan, you'll be guided through an authorization flow where you sign into Salesforce and grant permissions to ClickUp. Follow the on-screen prompts and confirm access. That's it for the connection step in ClickUp. The platform handles the handshake for you. To recap, you went to your team space overview, opened space settings, navigated to the App Center, searched for Salesforce, selected it, and clicked Connect. If an upgrade is required, you'll see that message instead. Once connected, consider testing with non-critical records first and make sure the right teammates have access to use the integration effectively.